Well, good morning, boys. Come on, Tux. Let's go. Tux. Tux. Tuxie. Tux. Tux. Come on, bud. Let's go. Come on, let's go to your spot. He accepted a body rub from Morris this morning. Oh, my word. Well, you know, if they could all learn to get along better, it's really for the best, right? I don't see it happening with Stripe, but him not being upset about Morris and Marty is good. Hey, buddy. Stripey. Hi, Morris. Hey, bud. Marty, don't be messy. So we had this really promising storm approaching last night. Don came out and unplugged the cars just to be cautious. And it basically died right when it got to our house. There was nothing. It like rained for a minute. I'm sure there's not anything to speak of in the rain gauge. Yeah, like not much. It was disappointing. Well, it's water park day today. Sometimes I call it Emerald Isle, but it's Emerald Point Water Park over in Greensboro. So it's about a 90-minute drive. Michelle and the kids ought to be here at 9:30. We're expecting very hot and chance of thunderstorms. But the thunderstorms aren't supposed to last a super long time, so if it thunders, if it does it early, we'll probably wait it out, and then hopefully they won't close the park for the day. When they do that, though, they do give you a ticket to come back. They're here. We're ready for the water park. It's looking a little cloudy right now. I think Mike said last night the 10 a.m. chance of rain, though, was totally evaporated, so it might be cloudy. A cloudy's fine with me. Thunderstorms and have to get out of the water area is not so good. You didn't leave yourself any room at all, girl. Good morning. All right, we're all loaded up and ready to go. We've got stuff in the front and stuff in the back. It's all good.
2 p.m.
Everybody comfy?
Oh, heck yeah, it's comfy back here.
All right. All right, Wet and Wild, Emerald Point, here we come. See what Ruby says. Ruby's got 226 miles. We charged her to the 90%. An hour and 26 minutes, 83 miles. Round trip says I'd get back with 27%, but that's not going to happen with climate and Sentry mode and stuff. I just figure we'll do a quick splash and go in Siler City for 10 minutes probably. We'll be eating at Smithfield's. We'll be there at Siler City, and it's going to take us. It's going to take us out the back way. And then up 421 to Greensboro, which is what I expected. And that's the way we would usually go. And it goes right through Siler. All right, we're crossing the Cape Fear River. It's pretty scary. It's not getting any sunnier out right now. Like I said, the clouds aren't a problem. It's just if it storms too much today. It could storm a little and we'd recover, but if it storms too much. So hopefully not.
At least we're in good company.
That's right. We're going to have a good time no matter what. Well, we definitely have a ways to go before we get to the water park, but it's raining out there. Well, it's 36 miles to Greensboro, and we're out of the rain for now, so that's good. Everybody's back there all nice and comfy. Nobody's sleeping on me yet this morning?
I almost did. It's pretty comfy back here.
Yeah, you're saving that for the trip home. They'll all be asleep on the trip home.
It's too comfy back here.
All right, we're here. The sun is out, and there's currently no rain in the area. All right, Ruby's in the same spot she was last year. Gives us a little extra space, and we are here, and it's sunny, and let's go have an awesome time.
We're here. Hurrah.
We have Cabana 23 and the fan. Yeah, Michelle wanted to make sure we got the one with the fan. And a nice view of the wave pool.
And a fridge.
All right, Connor and Ariel are coming down the slides over here. There's Ariel, there's Connor. Ariel wins. Woo! Here comes Ariel and Connor.
Oh, they're wiggling.
They're trying, they're wiggling. Ariel's the brave one. Oh my God!
I wonder how many people pissed themselves coming down the slide.
Johnny and Devin are up next. Devin's going down backwards. He's the brave one. I told Michelle we could sit this one out this year. This is the one ride we went on last year that I really just didn't love. I'm wussing out today. Usually I'm the leader of the pack, but you know, it's best to stay within your limitations. And I'll go on every other ride in the park, but just not this one. Although I hear there's a new ride open and the Dragon's Lair, which is my favorite, is closed. Oh, they did. There they go. Woo! Johnny had a big smile. I love it. That was awesome. That makes my heart feel good. Oh, it feels great. It feels awesome. Your mama says it's cold. Not cold. Go Splasher Connor. Pull her in. Oh, Michelle. Come on, Michelle. You got to get wet. Let me take pictures. What are you doing, Ariel?
I'm trying to give her wave.
Wave. Curls. We're up here getting ready to go down on this ride, and we have a 30 to 40 minute temporary weather close. This is my favorite ride in the whole park. Hopefully it really will only be 35 to 40 minutes. Yeah, that cloud over there is why we have a temporary weather closure, but there's nothing behind it, so I'm guessing an hour and a half, and then maybe we get back. The guys made it back with the food in time before it started pouring, but it is raining and it is kind of a little cold, but it's not pouring rain. We're in Siler City, which I'm gonna guess is like halfway home. And it was absolutely pouring when we left the park, like just pouring, but no hail. I went and got the car, and then everybody rushed over and got in. The Falcon Wing doors really are more helpful than not when it's pouring down rain. You can get a little drip in on the seat when you open them, maybe. But as far as loading and unloading, they totally protect the people getting into the vehicle, so I love it. And we're gonna come back tomorrow. We can't get a cabana again though. They're already all reserved. Oh, they've got a stop sign too. Okay. And that's a weird intersection there. But we'll have a good day. It'll work out. They've got lockers and other ways to stow stuff, and it'll be fine. And Johnny has talked his way into a night over at the McLaughlin's house. I think that was going to work out great, so might as well since they're coming back over in the morning. Anyway, we're going to get home with 19%. I am not supercharging here in Siler City. I am soaked and cold and ready to get out of these clothes. I had the opportunity to I had clothes to change into, but it was one of those situations where it was raining so bad that whatever I changed into would have been as wet as what I already had on. So anyway, let's see. We listened to The Gambler, The Devil Went Down to Georgia, 9 to 5, and now we're on Elvira. So all those 80s, oh my God, country songs that everybody knew the words to in high school. Well, we made it back, and it's sunny here, and there hasn't been any rain here. And it kind of went north. So we needed rain, but we didn't get any.
It rained in the wrong place.
That's right. It could have rained. Well, I guess Don said it rained this morning. Like early on it rained. Obviously not too much. Let me see what's in the rain gauge. Yeah, you know, I agree that it rained, but next to nothing, like barely a tenth. Ariel's happy. Tux is allowing her to pet him.
I'm worthy.
None of the other cats will come over, but Tux came over. Tux is a good boy.
He's so cute.
You guys are missing out. Ariel's really good with affection. Don had moved Michelle's van for her. He did a little repair in the back of the car. The rug was loose and the seats weren't folding right. And so he left it so she could get out easier. I'll put Ruby in a few minutes. She's at 49 miles. She's fine. Hi, Tux. Hey, Tux a cat. Hi. Thank you for letting Ariel pet you. She was very pleased.